Good morning, students. In this video, we will discuss tenses. First of all, we will take future simple tense. Future simple tense, general intentions. As for example, he will change his job, prediction or opinion. The horse will win. Dis- Decisions or offers made at the moment of speaking. I will take you home. No, thank you. We will take a taxi. And next tense is future continuous tense. Activities that will be in progress at a point of time. This time tomorrow we will be lying on the beach. Routine activities that will happen in the normal course of events. Everybody will be working on a computer sooner or later. Now see present perfect. Activities that started in the past and still continue. She has known me for more than 2 days. Experience that happened in the past, but the effects are important now. She has been to London. Activities that have a present result. The bus hasn't arrived yet. Present perfect continuous events that begin at a point of time are continuing now and will probably continue in the future. I have been playing tennis since I was 6 years old. Actions that begin in the past and have only just finished. I have been skiing all day. I am so tired. Past perfect tense में we will use had, subject plus verb की third form. An event that was completed before another event. The poor bell rang at last. I had been in the room since breakfast. Activities that were completed before a point of time. In 2005, I had lived in the same place for 10 years. Past perfect continuous activities that begin before a point of time and were still continuing at that point of time. Last summer, Josh had been renovating his house for 2 years. Second use is actions that begin before a point of time. Simple future perfect activities that will be completed before a certain time in future. Activities that will be completed at a certain time in the future. When I return home, I will have been away for a year. Future perfect continuous activities that will continue until a point of time and will not be completed. In June, we will have been traveling around the world of 5 minutes. Months. Activities that will continue until a point of time and will finish at that point of time. I will leave my office at 6 o'clock. By then, I will have been working on my computer all day. Next, see future tense. Simple or future tense. Subject plus will, first form of the verb, object. Subject plus will not plus V1 plus object. Interrogative sentence में will come in the beginning. As for example, I will be playing Ludo. Next is future continuous tense. Formation will be subject plus will be plus V1 ing form of the verb. I will be playing Ludo. In negative will not be used, and in interrogative will या shall will come in the beginning. Now see future perfect tense. Subject plus will plus have plus third form of the verb. I will have played Ludo. Subject plus will not have plus third form object. Has have subject plus third form. Negative subject will have been V1 plus ing form of the verb. So I think students you are able to understand the tenses. In the next video, I will send you exercises of tenses. Thank you.